Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open Bybit demo account. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bybit application, which of course I have done right here. Next one is, what exactly is Bybit about? Now, Bybit is a popular crypto trading application that offers users a range of features to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Now, the application is easy to use. It has a fantastic user interface. It also has a clean and modern design that makes it visually appealing. So now that we're here in this homepage, this happens today, that's just how to open a Bybit demo account, which is how to trade using the demo feature, or let's say demo trading feature. So from this homepage, you're gonna have to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you're gonna have your profile icon. So click on that top left corner. So in here you're going to see security. You can see a couple icons representing diverse features. You can find security, invite friends, you can find sub accounts, and you're also going to find demo trading. So go ahead and click on demo trading, and it's going to take you into this demo trading window. Now, I'd like you to know that when you're creating an account on Bybit, in the sign in or the sign up page, or the login page, the sign up login page, you're gonna find an option that says you should sign up using the demo trading feature instead of just directly signing up. Okay, so that means if you don't want to go to the live trading or do the live trading, you can just use the demo trading button. You're gonna find, you can click on that and get into demo trading without even having to stress yourself to, you can create an account. Of course, you're gonna have to create an account, but it's gonna be demo trading, not the real trading or the live trading. But if you missed that in the sign up window, you can now do that in the application itself by following the steps that I have just shown you. So we are here, so you can check derivatives and you can check trade. You can click on trade to start trading. It's not real, it's just to help you get acquainted with what's happening. You can even check your assets in here to manage your assets. So this is your demo account, and you can just put through here to see that you are completely secure in your trading before you head over to live trading. So you can find your charts here, the charts, and you can also find the trade here. You can find futures in here, this perpetual, this futures, and this is the option tab. So just go ahead and explore that to start trading using your demo account. So you can now go back to start live trading if you want to go back into the live trading window, which we have here. So this is pretty much how you can open your Bybit demo account. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.